FIG stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is how my FIG stock predictions looking like moving into this next week. Genuinely speaking, I've got 50,000 videos that I've done over the last 5 years with all this trial and error. It's all documented on my YouTube channel, but I've seen what's working for me with all this trial, error, and data that I've collected. Broader picture overview. Seems like there's a lot of back and forth, which I don't really like with Figma Incorporated. My Figma stock prediction is pretty simple. I mean, it seems like it's starting to really pump here, but I'm still keeping an eye on the higher time frame performance. I've used Figma 1 or 2 times in my life. Obviously, it's beyond the scope of this video to explain whether this is a good long-term investment. And again, not financial advice. That's some strong language right there. You know, long-term investments. That's your responsibility. I have 15 receipts in the Discord with this. All I'm saying is that it's pretty unclear. Like, I do see like the demand and the idea behind it, but in order for me to buy, you know, it really has to sort of give me like the proper rules around here, and then if that's met, I'm willing to shift, you know, just a quick little scalp. But like randomly buying this, not happening. So if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy plus my best stock picks for this next upcoming week for free, link is in the description. Bye bye.